southern Alberta is bracing for unusually warm and windy conditions on Monday, January 12, 2026. Environment and Climate Change Canada issued wind warnings, with gusts up to 120 km per hour expected in some areas, posing risks to vehicles and potential injuries from debris. Calgary anticipates sustained winds of 40 to 60 km per hour. Yellow-level snowfall warnings are in effect for the Icefields Parkway, with up to 20 centimeters of snow possible. Daytime highs will be in the low to mid-double digits, significantly above seasonal averages, leading to melting of icy patches. Many locations could approach or exceed record high temperatures, with Calgary's forecast high at 10°C, potentially exceeding the 1986 record of 13°C.